Tired of spending endless minutes, multiplying matrices by hand, with that constant fear of messing up a sign? What if I told you your CASIO calculator could do it for you in under 10 seconds? Today's the day you learn the forbidden calculator shortcut. Ready? Alright, first things first. Let's awaken the matrix beast in our CASIO. Let's define the first matrix, say, Math C. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. Perfect, matrix C is ready. Now we need its dance partner. Let's define the second matrix, say, Math D. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. Something epic is coming. Can you feel it too? Boom! There you have it, the matrix product. No errors, no sweat, in an instant. If this just blew your mind, you know what to do with that like button. Help more people discover this power. Thanks for making it to the end. In the next video, I'll show you how to calculate determinants and inverses. Subscribe, your future self will thank you.